Well, I don't think I promote this link enough, okay? And I've got it memorized since I've had kind of this link for about, I don't know, damn near 60 gosh darn years, okay? And it's my name, okay? I bought CoryDraper.com, all right? CORYDRAPER, okay? And what I've done is I just have a handful of things that I have online that I use to be successful in X amount of opportunities. Okay. There's actually six. All right. X is usually in that 10. But anyway, why don't I show you? Let me just show you. Come on, folks. Let me show you what I've got going on. Okay. If you go to CoryDraper.com, what I've done, basically for free, if you go to Linktree, you can, obviously pay too. If you have zero money, you can build what I've done right here. Or if you got a couple bucks a month, you can make it more fancy with backgrounds and colors and all this stuff. But if you have multiple things, email, and then you got Facebook, you might have Instagram and all these social media platforms. And then you might have a lot of affiliate links or just websites that you want people to go to. You can definitely spend all day and just completely drive yourself crazy in your fingers and your keyboard by telling everybody, okay, go to GMass. What's GMass? Well, it's how I turn my Gmail account with Google into an autoresponder. Okay, and then I have to give them, get gmass.com and whatever, and then maybe LiveGood. Okay, LiveGood, I love it. It's my little baby. Okay, nice products. We're a membership-based website. We have the best products, in my opinion. And everyone's like, well, how do I learn about it? Well, just go to CoryDraper.com if you'd like, and you can see the tab there, LiveGood, top home business in 2024. I have no doubt it's going to be 2025. And in a month, I'll go ahead and switch this to say 2025. Because in my opinion, and a lot of surveys and online magazines, they choose LiveGood to be the top at home, call it affiliate, call it a network marketing company, whatever you want to call yourself or the company. If you're looking just to make a couple bucks or a lot of money, this is something you should look at. Okay, so you can see my nice little cheesy photo here. Cory Draper, fearless leader of making moolah. All right, what's moolah? It's codename money. Okay, and I'm fearless. There's my Facebook page. So you just click that little F, it'll go to my Facebook. You go to the little YouTube button there, it'll go to my YouTube channel. Live Good, Legacy Builders. Okay, I like this educational opportunity because it doesn't make me 900 a day. You know what? Sometimes it makes me 100 a day. But the other day it made me 3,100. And guess what? The most money I've made in a 24-hour period happened yesterday. Now, I'm making this, let's see, November 19th of 2024. I was able to put in well over $5,000 to $5,500 into my bank. And that is my record so far of doing online business, basically, period. Okay, I've been online. I've screwed off on eBay Motors. I've sold cars. I've done a lot of things online, especially go to eBay and buy Hot Wheels and trinkets. But I'm a big fan of this online business. Multiple income funnel. It's a funnel system that I use, and it kicks ass. Okay, and it's where I promote Live Good and Legacy, and how I get a lot of emails. Oh my gosh, right now I'm sending over 100,000 a day. And this company pays me about $2,500 a month. Okay, and they supply me 1 to 200 fresh email leads a day per account. Well, guys, I easily make more than $30 a month doing this in one account. And that's all it is, $1 a day. So if I'm making $100, I'm like, well, there's three $30 bills. So what I've done is I've scaled up to 6 accounts with this email opportunity. Well, Cory, tell me about it. Well, you know what? Just go and click it. Okay, in my link tree, it just opens up the opportunity and you can watch this YouTube video. And if you want to join, just hit join MLGS now. It's $1 a day. $30 a month, guys. Okay. And you can check out Nowsite. It's powerful artificial intelligence. It's what I use every day to help me when I'm tired, or if I need to just create posts or do certain things to make me mysterious, make me compelling, interesting. How do I get people watching my darn things? Okay. AI technology. It's not going anywhere, guys. It's not going to take over mankind, I hope, like the movie Terminator with Skynet, but it is awesome. Okay. Now, traffic authority. In my opinion, it's the best paid traffic online. To me, that's my opinion. Okay. They've made me a lot of money and they have an affiliate opportunity. There's some months where I make $1,000 to $4,000. That's my commission just on mentioning this traffic authority website. Okay. I pay $20 a month. If people buy education from traffic authority, if I can make a couple bucks, awesome. Okay. Pure Rock Radio is my baby. I've been in radio off and on since 1987. I specialize in rock and roll. And yeah, let's just click Pure Rock Radio. I'll show you. You can go to purerockradio.com. I've owned this since 2006. If you want to listen to music, just hit that little play button right there. And I have a lot of people that I just enjoy reading their articles, like Stevie Rochelle with Metal Sludge, and of course Eddie Trunk, Sleaze Rocks. I have links to Joe Rogan, of course. You can see right by my head here, and Mark Maron, Adam Carolla. But this is my baby. All right. I like to program this every day. And like I said, I've been in and out of FM broadcasting since 1987. A lot of fun. So anyway, let's just get back to CoryDraper.com. Okay. So just CoryDraper.com. Can you see right up there where I've highlighted that little baby? It's just my name. And that's it. And guys, this is the best thing I can do, because every day I do isolated videos for, Nowsite. Then I'll switch over to the multiple income funnel. I love legacy builders because, to make $30,000 or more. Personally, I want to make about $30,000 to $50,000 per month by the end of 2025. And guys, I have multiple streams of income. I'm not going to just join one thing, because the reason I like this, do you see this pretty lady just kind of floating down? All right. Or maybe that's just a guy with pretty feet. But I am not going to go in the water and just sit. Do you see this hand? This hand to me is going to grab my rock and roll ass and save me if, let's say, legacy goes away. How about my lead gen? How about Nowsite? I don't like it. Well, I'm going to replace something that makes me money. Everything I do complements every one of those little tabs. Even Pure Rock Radio, because with the education that I've learned, I know how to get people to click purerockradio.com. And then if they want to have a bunch of reading about certain things with Eddie Trunk, or I think Joe Rogan's fun, Adam Carolla, of course, and, Metal Sludge and Blabbermouth. I just love Pure Rock Radio. And does education about how to be interesting, compelling, sexy, mysterious, does that help me get traffic, people, eyeballs to Pure Rock Radio? Yeah. But I also want them to go to my opportunities where I sell healthy products through LiveGood, or email leads. Maybe you want that education. Okay. You're going to buy it with or without me. But guys, when I sell a $900 course, I own it. And with square.com, I set it up for free. I show you how. Video training shows you how. But if I have just one person buy a $900 course tomorrow, guys, my take home's $870. I got to pay tax on it. Okay, Square takes a couple bucks. But guys, $870. And by the time I know about the sale, guess what? It's already funded, and that money is waiting in Square. I log into square.com. I go to the balance little tab, and then there's a little button that says transfer. If I have $870 in there, I just put 870.00. I hit the button, and tomorrow in my bank, I've got that $870. I get paid when I want. It might take 24 hours, but guys, that's better than waiting 1 week or 2 weeks, or trying to have all this volume and rank, and the companies that hold your money for 1 to 2 to 3 months, and you have to qualify and jump through loops and stuff. Okay. Guys, I have multiple streams of income, and they even complement my radio station. Okay. If you are interested in any of those opportunities, just go to CoryDraper.com. At the end of the day, it's by far the easiest thing to do, okay? All right, thank you for your 10 minutes. That's always my goal, is to chit chat with you fine folks for that amount of minutes or seconds, okay? And get a hold of me if you need something. Cory at CoryDraper.com. That's my email. And my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to it and bookmark my Facebook page. All right, peace and love. CoryDraper.com. That's where all my info is, guys. Take care and have a good one, okay? All right, bye.